My name is Brendan Bartic with Brendan Bartic Real Estate Coaching, where our mission is to train the most elite real estate agents and coaches on earth. Today I'm going to be taking you through something that's probably the most important piece of being a successful real estate agent and real estate salesperson, which is visual accountability, right? And so what we're going to take a look at is talking about how you can have a visual indicator to make sure you're focused on your 20% that's going to produce 80% of your results. And what I've come up with is just a very simple way of doing this with super bouncy balls. So when you're looking at it, one of the main key performance indicators that you want to focus on as a real estate sales professional is appointments. The more appointments you have, the more success you will have. The more sales, right? Appointments lead to listings and buyer agreements signed, which lead to sales. So we want to focus on how many appointments do you need every month to convert the number of sales that you want to have for your goals for the year. So to do that, one of the ways that we've come up with is taking a look at this very simple system of transferring one super bouncy ball from the jar, which your goals are, to the other jar, which is how many that you need to have for that exact month, right? So how many that you need to have versus how many to make sure that you hit your goal. So basically on your desk, you would have a visual tool here, right? Just like you can see there. And that visual tool, you don't have to have the lid on them, right? You're gonna take for every appointment you set for the month, one out, and put it into the other jar, right? So by the end of the month, hopefully, that big jar or that little jar is completely full because you hit your goals and you completely paid attention. Now, on the other side of that, if we're looking at this entire situation and it's the 15th of the month or the 10th of the month, and you can see here from your goals that you don't have half or whatever it is, well, you know it's going to take some extra work to step it up and get you to where you need to be. So just think about how powerful this is. You can have this entire thing for under probably 10 bucks, go to any Target or hobby store, and again, just get both things, have it sitting right there in front of you, and make sure that you're moving one to the other. Now, I've had other people you can do this with your daily call session, right? So maybe for you, the biggest problem is trying to get, your 20 contacts in a day. So if you know all you need to do is have 20 conversations about real estate, you could have your jar of 20 when you do your call session, and every time you make that contact, you take one from the other and put it in. And then you know that I'm done as soon as that jar is empty. We have to make this fun. We have to make this an enjoyable experience. So again, think about how you can have fun with it. I definitely recommend using this because I know it's helped so many other people stay directly focused on their targets for the month or the day. And if you like this idea and you'd like to see some of the other things that we use to make sure that we're, keeping our mindset right, feel free to click on the subscribe button directly below here. And again, go to our link in the description that'll take you to our private Facebook page that has not only, this example, other great coaching tools, our script book, everything that you could possibly need to have great success in this industry. So, again, I hope you found this valuable. Think about visual goals. And as always, I wish you great success.